Now, for helpers, sometimes they don't even say it. So they walk right into in the back of your wheelchair, and they're ready to push you. And a lot of us don't have any handles. So then they try to get this push you for, for even for power wheelchairs. They try to push me, and I let them know right away that, I have a power wheelchair. You can't move it. So I do it on my own. So for some wheelchair users, they try to push you behind you and without any bars. So this becomes a problem. So you have to, and they're not saying anything. So all of a sudden you're being lunged in, being pushed somebody. So you have to let them know right away to not do that, because you use your wheelchair on your own. You do your groceries on your own. You do your traveling is by yourself. So you really have to be patient with the people that are quiet and they're trying to do something for you, and they're trying to open the door, and all of a sudden you get, you're bumped into whatever, and things get a problem for you. So, and I have catheters, so if somebody's trying to, fix me, and, so I have to let them know, no, please don't do that. I'm in a power wheelchair. I can handle it, and I handle my power wheelchair on my own. So please don't do that. And I have catheters, and this could cause a problem, So we really need to think about this. To be patient with people who are trying to help you with no comment, to you. So it really startles you from people, who starts to get you. Some of us have um, cameras, and they see from the back to see if somebody's trying to do something. So that's really important for people to. That helps, for a camera to know if somebody's trying to do help you from the back and not saying anything. So that could kind of get spooky. That can be spooky for you. And so you got to really figure out how you're going to help people and to not help us. So there are other people who try to be funny, and they try to, and they're doing it for helping, but they're funny. They're trying to be funny. So this can happen to other people, and this spooks me, and there is actually a person from the UK. She's in her manual wheelchair, and she was in a park, and she was in a sidewalk just walking about, and liking, the time just, you know, and this guy from her back and started pushing her really fast and just pushing her down the sidewalk. And she asked, "No, please don't do that." And he continued without saying anything to her. And she was continued being pushed by this guy behind her. And he pushed her, pushed her, pushed her, pushed her. And she asked for him to stop. And he didn't. And, she was really getting spooked. So this other guy down the sidewalk saw the situation, and he came running over and he said to him, "Stop. Let this gal alone. Stop." And so this was spooky, and this other guy helped her from behind. It was just that's really spooky, And he probably was just being funny, and this did not help her at all, because it just pushed her and pushed her and pushed her and pushed her through her sidewalk, and that made her pretty scared. So you also want to, and just say things like, "Look, you're not making a fun thing, but this is not funny at all. So let go of me right now, or I'm calling the police." So it's that kind of thing, and it's really important for you to have a phone, so in case you need to call, because some people think they're helping you. They think that they're being funny to you, and this is not for people to help you as a wheelchair user. So we really need to be prepared. Ways to say, to other people who are quiet and trying to help you in a way that is not helping you. It's making a mess or scaring you. So let's try to figure out for you ways you're going to tell them to stop and to leave you alone, that you use your own wheelchair and you're fine. You don't need more help, okay? So, but that's really important to think about and to know about those situations that can help you as a wheelchair user, that people thinking they're trying to help you in ways that they're trying to help you, that they're going to help you in a funny way, or they're going to do it because they need to do it. They need to help you. So, so we need to figure out ways that is going to be safe for you, for me, for these helpers. So let's think about this, and my hope that things will get better between myself and helpers. So, and that type of helper that are quiet and don't say anything to you and try to do something that you don't need. So let's try to do that. All right. And maybe you have some ideas for me or for you, for others about this situation that can be really weird. All right. Take care and think about me that there's a like and there's a subscribe for you to consider, and that will help the channel. All right. Take care, and I hope to see you very soon. Take care.